little smaller, a little lighter, and he's decided that this is doable. We're here to help.
That was my fault. That momentum.
It happens. Yep.
What do you reckon, mate?
I'm going the other way.
I'm going to go the other way.
We'll meet you up there in 5 minutes. Oh dear. Okay. This one's worse than that other Christmas where every road we wanted to go on was closed. The ranges that we wanted to come in on over there, so not to be. Yeah, this kind of road's still a bit of fun. With the new Scorpion Rally on the front and Rail Z on the rear, the bike not only sits up an inch taller, but the particularly the front, you know, it has all the little nipples on the rubber from the mould, plus the mould release agent, and wow, they're a skittery tyre. Anything over 30, I started at 30 and I got to 31 or 2 for most of the trip, but so when we got to that first dirt we let it down to 28, which is slightly noisier but a lot more connected feeling. Like it's done less than 200 k's and no dirt, so it do take a little while to get any confidence in them at all. And wet tar seal, they are diabolical when they're brand new. They're not bad once they're warm, but yeah. So happy to just cruise these back roads until we find some dirt. So I don't know, man, this one might be another one that we're calling a detour. So many detours, we're not even close to where we wanted to be. But we've got 4 days. Some of the roads that we go to have got roads off the side that have been closed at other times, and we're hoping, well, according to the website they're open now, but according to the website, so it was Cox's Road and a couple of others, and even the Lions Road was closed. According to the website, that was open. So who the heck knows? Not me. We're heading down. We'll get to where we get to. Michael will come join us. We'll go from there. Dirt road. Yeah, so last time this one had a bridge out, so we had a detour, and we may not have paid attention to the sign or believed it or thought that we could get through on our bike. You might have been able to Dukes the Hazard over it. Built a ramp. Probably the same result. Ironically, what I was saying about these tyres on the tar seal is almost the opposite the moment you get on the dirt. So it just suddenly feels planted and connected and grippy and awesome. So that's why I like these. I'm always going to stay with them, but yeah, they do have their unique idiosyncrasies when they're brand spankers. Dry rubber. We've been on this one before. Pigman Road ahead. I want to know the story behind that. Well, I guess it could be a guy who kept pigs, rather than where my mind went, one that looks like pigs. Or active. Maybe he had a bit of a corkscrew willy. That's the beauty of adventure riding. Your mind can just wander any stupid place that it wants. Well, relaxed adventure riding. Times when you can't think of much more than right hand corner, weight the left hand peg, bike down so your body's over the tyre contact patch, maximum braking, maximum acceleration, don't forget to smile. No through road, so. Yeah, we came the other way last time, eh?
Yeah, I've never seen these holes before.
Yeah, no, I never saw that before.
Because we always come this way.
Yeah, yeah. But also, I was wondering, I want to see the guy that looks like the pig.
Pigman Road, yeah.
Yeah. I bet you there's hand paintings in there.
It could be.
Cows ahead. Yep. Sign checks out. Easy, easy big fella. So we just had a beer at Jackadgery, now on Deep Creek Road. Heading around the back way to Jackadgery to see if there's any accommodation for the night. Couldn't get through on the phone, just something's up, goes through to someone's mobile. No answer, no reply, no answering service. So I'm just going to have to try our luck. If not, we'll do Old Grafton Road and head that way, I guess. Had old back roads out here, and then they turned dirt up here, and there's a couple of crossings of the Man River and stuff. Alright, so 2 or 3 trips ago we got to this point and she was well and truly over this bridge. This is very, very close to being over, as close as you can get without being over. So yeah, it's definitely flowing. And a lot of rain, as you can see from puddle and wash out. Check that out. Some healthy looking beasts. And And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see some more of these videos. There's a couple more coming up and a few more bits and pieces. So, yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Cheers.